Hey, hello. After a long time, the gold now. Um, so in my previous video, I said that in case if the double top breaks, then we can expect the market to fall, and that's happening right now. And the double top target is in the range of 1890 to 1875. And if that level breaks, then we have another daily support here. This is one support, and this is another one, and that would be 1858 to 1856 for these ranges. So then if it hits here, if this 2 is broken, then next we can say 1811 to 1804, which is the weekly's strong support there. So that is one right now. Fine. For now we just worry about these two, not these two, this one majorly. Okay, so this one now, this is another closer look in daily. This is ascending trend line, so we have support here, then here another support, market bounced right now it here. This is same. If you have a look at weekly, it's the similar one. You can see support here and this here and this here, and we have a horizontal support as well here. So right now the market is at diagonal and horizontal support here. So the market may be a slowdown, not sure, or it can far further as well. So at weekly there is a double top neckline break, which is very evident in daily time frame as well. So there will be a fall in the gold, that's for sure. Right now it's at support, so there will be a slowdown here. And let's see the low time frames, how the market is behaving right now. This is here triangle pattern, which is not very evident here. Let me show in a daily. Sorry, 1 hour. Fine. So this is a descending triangle pattern. So let me say how this descending triangle pattern trade to do. Um, Fine. So in case in near future if you have any ascending or descending triangle, you can try that as well. Okay. So let's see. Fine. So the descending triangle is like this. The market goes like this. Fine. So the descending triangle pattern, which forms in a bear market actually. So this is a bear market. The market is falling, and in this kind of a bear market, if the descending triangle forms, descending triangle in the sense, descending trend line and support. Okay, so the descending trend line will act as a resistance, and a support will don't allow the market to break down, and the resistance doesn't allow the market to break up. But this is a descending trend line. So the combination of a descending trend line and an horizontal support, where the market bounds within these range. So then this is a triangle which looks like a triangle in general. Okay, so this is a combination of these two. Fine. Now what happens is when the market is falling, so this triangle formation, when this triangle forms, this will be a distribution phase. So where there will be a lot of like in the opposite trend and the bull trend, if there is a ascending triangle, that is an accumulation phase. Once the accumulation phase breaks, we can expect a big rally. Similarly, in bear market, when this is a distribution phase, when the descending triangle forms, once there is a breakout, there can we can expect a big fall as well. So this is the behavior of the descending triangle pattern. Fine. In the near future, in case if there is anything like this, uh, how do you trade? So don't wait for the market to break out actually. Okay, so once if this you figure out that the market is in the triangle, you can figure it out once these two areas are formed, this and this, and the third area is get trying to form here. At this area, if there is a trend reversal in your low time frame or any other technique you are trying to figure out a low time frame trend reversal, have a look. If there is a trend reversal, do a sell here. Wait for the market. Don't close the position once you hit here. Okay, comes here, then there will be a bounce. Then again it goes up here. At this area again, if there is a trend reversal, do a sell position. Then similarly, you can do more sell, like as long as the market goes like this. So like this, then again like this. So for every touch, or for every bounce from this descending trend line, you can keep selling your position and hold it. uh, the selling position should be made in a pyramid structure. This is inverted pyramid. For the descending triangle, do an inverted pyramid. For ascending triangle, make it in a pyramid structure. Okay. How what is pyramid and how the orders are in pyramid is, so since the pyramid, the base is very big at the top, right? So here you can make your higher lots. Sorry, the lot size should be bigger of your desired position. Once for the next level, go one level down. So if you see here, there is this is a higher base, then at this area this is smaller, and then it converges to as you move downward, right? Similarly you have to make it. Then I can say, for example, you have taken 10 mini lots here, you can take some less than 10 mini lots, like say you can take 5. Again you have another bounce here, you can take like 2 3 mini lots, like that. Once there is a breakout, you can take a bigger position. Here, once the trade is broke out, this mouth of a triangle will be your target. So once there is a breakout, you can go here. Now you see here, giving these two conditions, from here to here, then from here to here. Let me push this aside. Have a clear look. Okay. So if you had made a 10 lots here, which is, I'm sorry, this is not gold. So this is a paper is pretty much different. Okay. So assuming this is, I have some big move here, then again this move here. Once this breakout, you can capture the market right from here. So your profit would be right from here. You understand? You can capture these areas as well. So you can keep accumulating your positions in a sell trade at every point. The reason why I say go for inverted pyramid during a descending triangle is, worst case scenario, if the market turns out, instead of breaking up, it turns broke up like this. Imagine like this at this level. What happens? Say for example, this is a 10 lots position, and this is a like 3 or 5 lots position. The market goes here. You can just close with the loss of this one. Still, we'll have a sell position over here. At this point, we'll have some profits made by this 10 lots position. Either this can cover the profits at this area, can cover the loss at this area, or uh, can be what to say, it can hedge, or it can do a cost to cost scenario, or it can come out with at least a lesser loss actually in case if the market goes sideways. Means against our prediction, not sideways, against our prediction. That is the reason go for the descending pyramids. So as every bounce happens at this descending triangle, sorry, trend line area, you can add the more positions here, so that once this breaks out, every positions you are adding up here, once it hits the target, collectively it will give you a more profits. So rather than making a single trade after this breakout and wait and do that, so these triangles is a where we can make yeah, this is not like regular breakout trading. So this is where you can accumulate more and more positions, and then once the breakout, you can expect a more profits in your trade account. So this is one technique which I wanted to tell you. So similarly, you can the reverse way, we can do it in for the ascending triangle in a bull market. Please do understand the descending triangle in the bear market and the ascending triangle in the bull market. This technique works. So the opposite, like the descending triangle in the bull market and the ascending triangle in the bear market, the breakout can happen in the reverse way. So there you don't do accumulate, there you wait for the breakout and then you trade. Okay, that's I think this you have a clear idea. If you still need more clear on this triangle pattern, please do let me know in your comment section. I'll make a separate video of the ascending and descending bull triangles. Fine. So let's get back to the gold. Yeah, fine here. So now here, see this is one, two, and this is three. Now here, just mark this area. I'll show you in 15 minutes. This is one. This happened yesterday actually. If we had made a sell after this level breakout, this is one position you could have had yesterday. Then again this is yesterday. Then this is, there's no much structure here. Again you can do, yeah, maybe here you could have added another sell position here. So let me mark here. This is one sell position. From 15 minutes point you can add another sell position here. Let me mark it in. Okay. Now if you had seen here, here I made one sell position. Here I made another sell position for this trend. Right now here, from this point to the bottom, I'm not taking the current market price to the bottom, and from here to the bottom, you see here this is $12 and this is the $10. If you had made some, okay, say 10 mini here, and then here you made 3 mini orders, so 10 mini orders which is made up here, one standard order gives $1 for gold, and yeah, one, yeah, sorry, yeah, yeah, one standard order for one pip move is $1, so it's for one mini should be 50 cents. So this is 1228 pips, then this is 1035 pips. Maybe bear with my math here, so give me a second. That should be the scenario. Yeah, so now total on a overall, how many pips we have? 1228, 1228 pips. So one standard order gives you $1,000. Sorry, $1, one pip move. So this should be divided by 10. So it's $122. So into, say I have made 10 standard, 10 mini there. 10 mini is one standard. So let's keep it as a standard format. Okay. So here I have made one standard order. So 10 standard orders, and here I can three standard orders. So 10 standard order will be 1,228 pips, $1,028. So into 10 would be $12,000. Then here it was a five standard order. As I said, it is a inverted triangle or inverted pyramid should be your kind of entry you should make it. So this was one and this was one here we made. Okay, so here was $12,000, 12,280. Okay, then here we had 1,035, assuming we had my five standard orders, so this is 5,000. So 12,280, I think, yeah. So if I had just made $2, two 2 orders, it was possible here we could make two, because we had only 2 pounds and then there is a breakout. So here say 10 standard orders and here 5 standard orders. Till this trip we would have made somewhere around $17,445 here. Fine. Uh, the reason why I said it's reverse is, I'll say how the loss happens. Now say let's take it in the reverse. The market I made by here. So if I had made till here, okay. So if this breaks out and closes, then we can say that my trend got reversed of my bad luck. Fine. In this scenario, this is $432. So here, this position I had made five standards, right? Five standard orders. So 432 into five would be 2,160. Fine, $2,160. Then again here I have made. This was my entry point. So from here to here, this is 10 standard orders. From here to here, 182, 182 into 10 plus 2,100 and sorry, what was it? Sorry. So this was 432. So 432 into 5, 2,160. Okay, 2,160 into 182 into 10, 2,160. So the loss would be like $3,980. So that would be the max. The reason why I said is, um, fine, it's in the reverse actually. Yeah, we had made a sell here, and then the stop is here. So we'll have a minimum loss of this one. So in case if this we have made it in mini orders, this would be $398 something. So this is the risk we have taken, or the $3,900 of the risk, whereas the profit would be right now it is $17,000. So imagine the risk reward ratio. So in case if this 3,980 against 17,000, considering this one 3,980, it would be 1 is to 4.2 ratio. So that is the reason I said make it as in the reverse. In case if I have made it inverted, this $10 would have this 10 standard order would have made a very big loss than the 5 here. It will have a reverse order. Let me show that one as well. So 182, say I have made um, what was here? This is the first one, this is second one. So this is second one. So okay. So here how much should I have made? Instead of this one I have made 10 standard orders. So 432 into 10. So another 432 into 10. $4,300. Then here say it is 5 standard orders, 182. 182 into 5. 4,325 I guess. So now see 3,980 I guess the inverted pyramid which I said now. So $1,225 you could have saved from being lost in case if you had made it as in a pyramid instead of an inverted pyramid. So that is the reason I say go for inverted pyramid concepts. So if you need it more in detail, let me do basic maths in step by step and then show. Um, if it's too fast and it's too confusing, so let me know in the comments below section. I'll do both the scenarios like triangles in uh, ascending triangle in bull market and descending triangle in bear market with this basic maths like logics. I can give you that as well. So now whoever has already in a sell position, you can please hold the sell position, not to worry about that. The target of this triangle breakout is roughly on 1917.78 dollars, so it can fall till here. And now if you see here, this is a lower low and this is a lower high, and the retracement of this swing is 50% is done. You can see a clear here. So this is a retracement 50% here. It's a pretty good retracement for a swing to have 50% retracement. So just check in 15 minutes. Is just a good trend here. Yeah, if this level breaks, there is a red candle broke, but that's not big body of the candle. If a level 1935.85 breaks in 5 minutes, you can go for a sell. Or if you need more confident to do something, so please wait. That is also another scenario. You can sell, not an issue. Yeah, if the 5 minutes breaks below, as I said, the level 1935.85, if a 5 minute candle breaks below that, then you can go for a sell, and the target for that would be 1924, and the triangle target was okay. So okay, you can expect the market to fall 1924.76 till here. If that 5 minutes breaks, then the market can fall deliberately. So this is the update for the gold right now, and trade with caution. What else? Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much, and please support me on my YouTube channel and the my trading view. And happy trading.